Hello, good day, wherever you are. I was here for an AM very wet Saturday afternoon here in the UK. And then the very last day of the month of October 2020. Kakra yekoyenim afeno eko newiye. Na amjiri yese ebre aso se meno beshia na afi ye dijumedi to the community and the law ebre we wa ekrado. So question or concerns and issues efa emra and was sitting at teachu ewo UK ha wobenya ho emwaye. Ene emanage ma ho sepe se yeba na jumedi yewo afa miensa aide bro a celebration edikan de toso mienu ye ba besua de ahwe akwanye ye betimi afa so ye maburu no ye betimi anya insiye a persevere say whatever the dream is we will get to the goal. And de toso miensa wo question and no concerns saying and you be see a year no a day amount if you were good for me no better if you say break up them say no see ever bought UK. The BWF solicitors are North London, 214 to 218, Tottenham High Road, no so our North London, and our war. BWF solicitors, preferred community lawyers. I didn't know cancer. If you say, Sebanim Remun Sama who you got to, and I teach you so a certain more and some hour said, what a down one, and no to can year pa amount. What Casa say when you was senior what this one is see at here, and when you acquire a fossil and the embrano, and the SCNE not a bow. And then the community and the law pro. Question may be so, and they say me wo baby how we are say, teach you Ghana, na me ba at UK ha, meeting about a kind of one. Na me be so banner the kind a buy, a walk kind bears, meaning I be young. They're just so you know. A year question and no concerns are one. A quite beso and year for a year no. Now the team walk to the pan. I'm say a free bear say Usumi and I above my man say about what you be a cost teach you before you tea and you say about ha and now say what diaspora. Quire ye first so assume your home, acquire first one in businesses. Now ye two and a more away you might do. Ibinum Ashe said Ibinum deserve awards. And who is the winner? I am going to reveal the winner today. But in the meantime, Umami Fasida Emma BWF solicitors. Na yetu wonkra na yedinkra no ewie na yeba yewa bedinkomo. I am going to give you a winner this afternoon. Kenachi Abba Midasipi, Sir Uguso, Train, Sir Edin Komono, Everbro. Monsieur, you say, what shall I say? Text me. Yeah, live at Facebook. Yeah, live at YouTube. Nina a BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors. Nti wo question no obetimi e dey on Facebook page no so na waja wo and na say YouTube page no so na waja wo comment section no na me Kyle say wo ko ho so a pick up the link and share send me kuta me phone here me dey ni I'm sharing the page into no onso so omodina pick up your phone and let's share so that obi nso so ebetimi enya ho embaso and then the kind me dey may shift in a different way because I want to do my celebration. I am in a very, very, very fast move to do my celebration. And the same. Last week, me de a year trophy be a trail and no any. I say Black British Business Awards. Black British Business Awards. Na a year and ra if which is the 30th of October 2020. And now I'm ready for Ebeda Nipa Onya award category na near Kamwasa. 5 o'clock and the Jumedina Ashasi. Yet a home, you have a shame, you have a bubble, a cossain, wine the bell when you. I was for I have it here. Nana Obwa Omai the First, Dr. Bernard Osu, Senior Partner, BWF Solicitors, is the winner, Professional Services Leader of the Year, Black British Business Award. I was here for Minyanka Ubon Uncle Ben. Congratulations. Uncle Ben, you deserve it. Congratulations. I'm so happy. And I said, I wish everybody had the chance to look at what happened in this office. But, let's say,
United Kingdom. Juma Akasia, Adisuna Akasia, and Koso, US in Koso, medicine, law, science, Dudona Hanif. And tea, where cry embassy, the premier embassies and high commissions in the whole world, American Crown. And tea, Sabibi, we are Ganani and Abibini. Now would be ye be UK, I shall say, or coin. A term said, I sit down on the donor, Nina cry, and the minion. The donor, I call my colleagues or Cecilia, the only minion among the two. And then my bushia, teacher, a year and a mark, and a part of my mammy. I'm Sir Kokuria winning Kakra. Jumano, I'm sometimes. Before we bring home a demon on Kwan, at the machine, and machine in our parts, it will be a cocoa round. It's a channel, they move away. It will be so a gumo oil, it will be so and the idea is so we have the muscle, and production chain to be our one. Sabi you mean I'm DNA. But for me, brave Dimachi. For crying him said Sunday, the year tomorrow. It's a Sunday.
Mammy, my family is awesome. My bar office ha close to midnight. Yeah. My barber took lawyers set on one age. And I kept wondering, time in a coffee. Time being now. So we put down a mastery. Because I remember we drew her bear and a pabe 10, 11, or even round about midday. Well, I don't know what I saw. And you know, a Jumano, Sunday walk Sunday, a Jumano cried here, but they even stayed deep into the night.
Yeah.
More body.
Yeah. And nti am say na me da ase a reason ti a me masa example no say dwuma no dodo na ebusuafo wa ha ana ti aseda no so ekoma
Maybe sir, say maybe I won't also. But how have you gotten to this point?
well
Take me through the journey because sabi one number one nikake and na ebi drew baby a wadri. You've talked about hard work and and one for the people who have worked with you all throughout. Yatati say Jumedi Wendy year crowd over 27 years. How have you gotten this one?
well Kwaku you know dodo na sabio I had the character of the person I have ethos or world view and attitude to life. And at a very early age, now not near my person either say me a politician and I say me a lawyer.
And you have a business
Now the amount of us I say I think sir I've always wanted me person me change my community and my people. And I felt politicians they be a war power or between the assassin. But then, cool, 71 cool and I'm collapse, 26 crowd. Tikua me who ye pa no, Kufu. Now, primary school so, Anna Rollins. And my formative years was that upheaval never you could disruption to normal life. Now, how do you deal with that? The only way you deal with that is by we use law at the age. Because so for a background, almost almost your decrease. I won't fat you're buying to law be anyhow. The only way not so we use law. And that's what led me to law. Now, me university and I'm back home, which is over 30 years ago now. Okay. And the idea was either say metro soha and I make back my law school. My uncle I'm going to say now koya law school. To be koya my law school. To yamakoya namaba. Namako. To be a 3 months of Ghana, maybe 3 months or Asa, and a year, 92, and I qualify as a barrister. Okay. And I buy. To me, by some you, I mean, I don't be shishia, shall avoid lawyer offering lawyer Martin for suing and Yamin Fan currency. I want to almost assume in Sat. Will lay no by later cry. And Patrick.
Well, you know the outro and Rabbi,
Never.
Okay.
Never. Yeah. And then through the process, I say, so community. I was a bank community, which means also here community. In instance, be our transactional law, which is purely city law, of course, transactional law, but city law, and I said, obey more community, and I chose to work in the community. My early life, company be smart headhunter, because headhunter, I'm saying, a apply for a Juma, but will be your headhunter, or no, will be our apply for a Juma, follow Tia Kushai, our Balam. Our Nando's, I'll say big firm, be person who poach me. Nameko had the criminal department at the time. We had a lot of criminal law, and I struggled. The remuneration, no compensation was huge, but then I said, no, but because I'm a man yet. The person was all your community. And I stayed focused. And 2006, it be the BFR. nyame de abedu. Tikwaku, I foresight, I perseverance, I the ethos of the person, the character of the person, and the humility to say, I don't know, so I will learn. And most of it, learning process. It may be self-thought, and I will call, now I will be actual. All my life, my professional life, has been self-thought. And maybe I may library no come into because library no books no. Yes, so those days the law books no yet the first go internet so not what she share. Into leaflets because you update laws every time. About in the leaflet form. Into beer to say we and be say to be once away and new law be a baby we here now they are sharing. Meme Dumano. And to marry book na
this is a branded good.
yes. To marry and to book anytime you'll be here be call library no. Over straight to me. Now I was said may I advise you. And that's been part of me. I mean the difficulty I have now is to stop reading. My catcher was a bit and I think sir the final thing no a determination and deep spirited person. Listen, it's very tough. And yet, front, your man very easy. Obia all often be a culture. So, you need a lot of thought. Now, thankfully, we bring modern form of marketing to the law practice. Because 15 years ago, the Law Society culture said, now I'm running law practice to say just law practice. I'm running a business.
Okay.
So we here will be or you media person, we here will be or you eloquent, or bit me a present him front. We here will be or by next 2 years, what do we do? And for us, as a black business, advantage want to say you decide this we will not be a standard. Okay. Fair. We want to be above the standard. Excellence. And that is why we have all those be a solicitor. We have other certificates. I will buy me a panel member. And the panel membership, a seal of excellence. Now, how many Ghanaian lawyers, immigration, family lawyers, walk our panel membership? A fair percentage, it will not be more than 1 or 2%. Wow. Yeah. And so the standard is why a solicitor are qualified. So you get a medal certificate every year you renew. The could be war. Yeah, the mouth. I should be a wardrobe.
I don't know when you pay.
Yeah. And then every year you renew your certificate. But I've said to myself, sir, maybe I want to be that extra person. I do it far above where the standard is. And I refuse to be an average person because for me, the law of averages is such that one will fail. But when you are above average, now the law of averages doesn't affect you. For example, moving to a modern office, investing a lot of money to bring it to the standard we are, investing in equipment, making sure, sir, you're bringing people along. The final part of my life is, okay, so you've done it, and so what? Now you think about legacy. So what is a legacy? I'm sure one day when I'm gone, everybody will say, we had this person who was a good person, helped the community. But where is the legacy? And the legacy is the many, many lawyers that for me I've trained over since 1999. I've trained all these lawyers. I've trained people who could be my fathers or even my grandfathers. The oldest person I've trained was about 70 years. The youngest person I've trained is about 22 or so. Taking them from secondary school through to university, giving them opportunities and all those things. Now, I have had experience and the benefits of law. and for me, it's been a blessing from God. I've enjoyed it. It's benefited me and my family. I'm very, very proud and a fulfilled person through Lord. So I say to everybody, say we tear me up. Don't be the average person. Be above the average person. Don't cut corners. Look at the long term, the future. Don't take a 3 months plan. Young people, we will share them, and now I may free. But whereas you can say, and now I may invest in a and then you thank God, sir, the opportunity has always been there, and we are where we are today because of the immense work that I have put in for 28 years of practice, and I think I'm very proud for what I've achieved.
I mean, in sense, you can't story now, you can't and it's not the end of the world as well. So say, Adam, the world out there is recognizing, say, Yanso, Yetini Bibi, Emma, Etini, Epi, Mobi. There's UK Enterprise Award 2020, and one Kasabi Enya, the Black British Business Awards. Where does it take you?
Well, I mean, first of all, the Black British Business Award, it's the premier award for black businesses in the UK. It is the Emmy Award, and as a quick reference in film, the Oscars.
Oscars.
Yeah, it's the Oscars.
The UK have BAFTA.
Yeah, as a black Oscars of business. The quality of people in there. Ghana winning overall business winner, Oxford educated, managing partner of a firm that with turnover of £250 million. One of my competitors now. She's a partner in one of the biggest firms with a turnover of billions in the UK. And as a premier award, what it does is it's a seal of approval for what we're doing. And it's a good training so more opportunities. There are people who wouldn't have had opportunity to practice law. Many people. And I'm proud, sir, I brought them on board, educated and trained them. Some of them have gone to set up their own firms, some of them have moved on. But the bottom line is they've had a training from me. And I think, sir, for us as Ghanaians, we should be proud, sir, even those in law, we can still do even better than just being well.
Has it been difficult?
I would say it's been fulfilling. Challenging, yes, of course. Where you spend most of your time in your office rather than with your family. It can affect family. It's a time where my wife stopped working. She stopped working. I think that was at the time the twins were about 1 year or 1.5 years. So that she can have the kids can have a stable family. And where my wife did be desire, they say, let's not table in the morning. But
you can get it.
No, go 5 a.m. I'm call. And I don't say I'm between by Juma late. And the young men are still doing it. Richard, for example, Thursday free at 1.1 a.m., 1.23 a.m. Patrick, free at 12 midnight. Francis. And the ladies and I, she was become Mukun and Yaman. We try to allow. But these are things that clients not aim. So we spend that much time to make sure we're providing the service in the bar, then it's a better quality product than they can see. But we invest a lot of time. The young ones invest a lot of time. Law looks glamorous. Obia will view you will call law more so yes, it's true. It can work for you, but you have to invest in your life. Personal development, maybe you're counseling, and I said you're doing something differently from idea was but the bottom line is you have to be a better person to sell a better product.
BWF Solicitor Senior Partner and yes, celebrating and the MBA, the Black British Business Award, and Wako winning the category that says Professional Services Leader of the Year. Professional Services Leader of the Year. Uncle Ben, ND Animu. Now, we pay tribute to the family, we pay tribute to the working colleagues, brothers and sisters, including me, because many people have a family, no, say, I'm not for graphics and no. Mine is just to talk and do the media bit. Now, I'm saying for say award ye abba a day and baby say a day a day and wo ne BWF solicitors edi inkata wo ye adwuma e beti akọ a day amount. But as it say okuso hwe yen say some of your comments are coming in. Obi texted me and I say when I saw it I felt like this is something you need to comment on. In fact, I say I've always seen him to be a very good person and better things are coming his way because he's extremely different. He's an extremely different person. May God continue to bless him and the entire BWF Solicitors family. We also say, hey, I'm watching you online. Thank you very much for your contribution. We're proud of you, Uncle Ben. And Ben, we also or say, you keep us on our toes all the time because you want us to be the best. Now that you have gotten to the top, please pull us along. It brings me to my questions. Say, Obi a client of BWF Solicitors. Obi a prospective client of BWF Solicitors. And now say even a past client. What should this award mean to the person?
Well, I mean, first of all, I was nominated by somebody and I wasn't aware. Normally, I wouldn't even have put myself forward. It will be not nominating me. What it means is whatever you do it well because there are people watching you. The respect you get from providing the best service, being a servant leader, and also having integrity. The other thing I also be answering is you want a reward. Whether we do good, we get a reward. Whether you do bad, you get a reward. 80. So we will be a poor, of course you get a reward. We will be so. You open doors for people. And I like to bring people up.
Okay.
And I find it easy to share in others' celebration. Because what I realize is that so we'll be a bomber day now celebrating. It brings you blessings. 80, in whatever you do, you're competing. But if somebody is doing better, acknowledge them and thank them. And finally, just so we also know this, as Africans, Ghanaians, it is underestimating. We've got all the qualities that are brought for non-so. And in anything, whether be it business or sports, be it art or culture, be it engineering or law, be it music or film, anything that Bruneian, we are not average people. Yes, we are above average people. Now I will say it excelling will be and so we see when this say average in 50, and percent we are above average, and you work towards it. And that's only one and I will dream but you work towards it. Of course, you can achieve that.
Andra, I was thinking when you need senior see our office. I was thinking when you need senior amount for see a boss. We'll be looking at that video. I was able to capture it, but I'll surprise a few people in the office and also to listen to the acceptance speech of Uncle Ben. But I understand call one more Facebook page and also now I far more contributions. Congratulations, Uncle Ben, Sophia Joy. And a day about Ohineba Kofi Adum Asabre. I say congrats, sir. William Ofosu Akon Edi Aba Nanajiman or say Attorney General at Ghana.
No, I didn't
know.
Oh, I guess it'd be new. No, no.
Obi no politics in Ababa too. Why not you join a party in Ghana to help Mother Ghana? Congratulations to Uncle Ben. If you don't call it day, no about. You definitely need a knighthood from the Queen. And Fred Amoa also genya contributions na the idea. Also with me the what but we're live on Facebook, we are live on YouTube. BWF Solicitors. Oba Bomodi na watch page na so me as spread it at the ama afro. You tell me me percent and ready see what office hano we do room to pick up a bit of BWF signage no nafi but the video no at the abro in a moment. We'll be right back.
BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
And now it's finally time to meet the winner of the Professional Services Senior Leader Award.
Bernard Owusu.
Thank you very much. Wow. We've come very far in this process, starting from virtually nothing and creating a process in the community, thereby bringing many, many people along with us. Those who may not have had the opportunity to work in law were given opportunity to work in law. Those children who may have come from very low economic background, whose parents may have not studied in secondary schools before, came to this country with virtually nothing in their hands, and those kids are now partners in our business. We've also taken many, many people in our community, provided services, pro bono services, both on the radio, the TV, on the internet, to ensure that we help those who do not have access to legal advice. Because of, sadly, the closure of Citizens Advice Bureau and the dissemination of legal aid for many, many people of our community. Today, we represent almost all of them free of charge on radio every week of the week. At this juncture, I say a very thank you to my team at BWF Solicitors. I say thank you to my family. And also, above all, I say thank you to God for seeing us through this. I am very grateful to the team behind this. And this has been an excellent process so far. Thank you very much.
BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
I would say that CP, we need the acceptance speech, senior partner, BWF Solicitors, to Eja Ebra, Uboni Ding se Wawene Award. It was excitement in the office, and we are so happy to celebrate it. Mijidi se ebe encourage you na young person, middle-aged person, obi fufuru bia why wadring say obetimi aye bibi bia the aboa community na iro hona ye because somebody is watching, somebody is looking at you. Uncle Ben, once again, congratulations. Na Kenneth Kofi Ofori-Boateng Antubam or say still waiting to hear from you concerning the fight against IHS.
Yeah, my catch is a research, man. And so probably a research, man.
Henry Vladnote, or say, and congratulations to Chokote and Afe Wumpimini Adam. Also, so I say, Yamfa, Aseda, Emma, and Yamena, Fe, young congratulate Uncle Ben. Sir or Aboye Emma Yedin Kunim. In Kunim, I may have associated myself with it because I did any idea humble. Into one so far humble BWF Solicitors now. I feel one day Wumbremo and some Audonina and Fa amount. You call the second segment of the program. Now, Uncle Ben, answer me about no say COVID abai. And now I say test. Actually, I say test. And I'm comedy moon so anyway, you may mono say bit me approve say me busu ni me bani any idea no. Nina a test yeah. How relevant any testing to immigration situations in this country?
Well, I mean for Ghana for no Obaha say we ba you recommend this over your DNA, all those are compulsory. Again, I was we so more than 6 months or better I was we tuberculosis tests. Now DNA no the entire recommended DNA is unfortunately no registration of birth anya dia ya can't be brave because sana munyina munim no be to make a birth certificate. I'm saying Supreme Court akase even birth certificate in a cra and a prima facie evidence of citizenship. And you was so you be count now the chair. And the entire Tessa say yen capture data no sana be protected. And say ya wuni pana a chair who can register na. Sa nipa na wa wono no nyi a ono atimi kosan another date of birth na oma capture. I'm hoping say eventually no ɔmbɛtumi de system aba a ɛbɛ capture akwadaa no yɛwo no from day one na ɔyɛ locked in into a system a obiara ne hɔ bɛtumi asesa, and I'm hoping sɛ the Ghana card a aba no a bɛtumi asesa nneɛma eventually, because bear in mind sɛ wokɔgye Ghana card a yɛfa wo iris na yɛfa wo fingerprints na wo facial makeup nti ɛno nso lɔko nti akyire wokɔyɛ registration bi a na yɛfrɛ wo Fuseni Isifu 1975 na also yɛfrɛ wo Kwame Antobam 1982 a yɛbɔ wo nsa no a ɛbɛyi aba ka wokɔyɛ passport a yɛbɔ wo nsa nti no mahu sɛ no wɔne yɛ capture wo data sɛ woyɛ saa nipa ɛyɛ dɛn na sisi a woyɛ eventually no, but I'm potentially looking beyond 10 years time then be you until then no you will two tests. The other thing I also be answer kai say wo ko Ghana a hye ewo ho say with COVID na e kosoro no aban e hye say yemfa enko Ghana enti e was say we COVID test wo ko do so a wo be antigen and so ye COVID test sa enti eno so e ade a wo so bia ehu na process no ayɛ sɛ wɔsɛ aban nankasa no ɔgyitum sɛ wo na kwakui a wogyina hɔ yi saa test certificate a yɛatwerɛ wo din no sample na yɛde yɛ test no ɛfiri wo kwaku. How do you do that? Me there one company pɛ na menim wɔ kurom ha a ɔmoyɛ COVID test a ɛyɛ logged in into the person wontumi nsesa ɛyɛ Anglia DNA a yɛnnua Ghana ni Dr. Thomas Hazel Odano. The entire or local to sa test no for yen no a crucial my minim say abana kasan kaibi or muhia bibisa no. Say also may call Ghana, which means oh IDB out there call Ghana. Into no be foul sample na and now economy for sample na or a copy of YD now the be too quiet. No are connecting it to test. Into your case wo kwaku or test near negative. Na nya obi for fraud test because so when him say Ghana all those say yeah we no still no more pick up a positive test at the airport enti crucial say obi your tester or so called lab ye or certificate Ghana ban agina tum aha ban agina tum enye fechire ono opa obeba ofie opa obehia no wo center ana opa obetu kwan akọ mo office sa company na omoye sa adwuma no eya obi a wayai o ma yedie nene we na je sisi ya wa hai aban ama no contract wa ha oye adwuma COVID test ma aban okay enti so we Ghana ni na wutu kwan a na che se wo koye wo ho a eno nso eye kama because minim se oboa Ghana for bebre but time I was here wo de ye na wo se wo de ye sa time na guy bi so kodu airport na the certificate no we ja to fie ana ofre hospital sorry Dr. Hayes omo lab ho ana omo email come British Airways and say na Ghana. Can you imagine say wakoye wo company kese bi one na wakofre no because
mami me meduedu mu a ama Patrick ne penifo adaruma yensa aka aye opani a Uncle Ben bo ne ho dawre aye Dr. Hazel Dr. Thomas Hazel abeka yensa ewo dwumedi so a ene me pese me ma yehunu senia esitie Uncle Ben aka de but yenko Dr. Hazel na nkasa ho na yenko fa aye ne nkomo no emra. Doctor, good afternoon. Pacho na po mo ti say good yeda CP em say unia Uncle Ben ni award enyina yen celebrate nti mema opportunity na also congratulate ni kakra.
Thank you Dr. Hazel. Thank you.
Well, Dr. Hazel, yen share Anglia DNA mujumedi a modie no bi na so kakra biu e chem say Uncle Ben am boss de but yesika akom ye gene koku na nkasa nanum.
were the first people to do that. We go on up a paternity test. We partner banner say Ayajama, Kuku and Nambo say, and yet my banner no. And now I could boots test, no, I would get quietly. Now, so person quarter now, what be a legal test. And now, so person immigration, so no legal test. That test since we started in 2009. Now, about 2010, so you started say drug and alcohol testing. And honestly, the same local authorities in Omu Pesa, say Omu say, Akorana Omu Kofana ba foster care, any care system. Ebiana, Papa ne blame Mammy should blame Papa and say, Ono Musabido and answer or fat drugs. It's in here, sad drugs into hair strand test, no power so. And so genotyping, fitness, any other things to do with how well you eat. And in fact, I'll say, who come, Chairman, you see the beer and environment. Sports, how well you run, and endurance, performance. Then you know what DNA test, gym, and another fitness company, every amount. But imagine to me, I say 4,000 tests more. Think of a person who say, how well do they want to exercise? What's the best way to lose weight? Like, yes, I test. And then I say also, COVID by machines are used for DNA testing. And once they do the COVID testing, you see, COVID happened, and also.
Now, Doctor, Mamimra COVID test, and also now, Miss say, no, any idea among for any was libre. If I see it too quiet. Now, Ghana for see him for COVID, yes, see him, Pessi, the COVID, and no COVID, yeah, can't free. How does it work? Then, during the testing.
Okay, testing is a big appointment, a found sample. It's your first sample now. Yeah, the lab. It's your lab one more. And when I say RNA extraction, now you test to see say virus, you carrying the virus or not. It's your first sample now, the RNA extraction, the PCR. And I bet you say who carry virus and answer who carry virus. It's a very simple test, but it gives us a lot of information about the Bakoni status. Yeah, we can test very easily say someone is carrying the virus or not carrying in a sample at that particular time.
Why let me I pick a sample? No, me I let me pick it about, and I say just say me baby who and son and more pick a sample.
Oh, it means because there were home tester. It means postima or casa. We test. They're very simple. Your mouse swap, no mouse instruction. Which instructions now? Yes, swap now. No answer to the call. We remove let's swap inside. The instructions are very, very clear and simple. And that one for sample. Now we just share here box like the brain, and then you post it to the lab. Upeswa Beko Center, your clinic centers be a base of 5 for London. Or more nursing staff, ombudsman for sample now. Now other places of on Kasawaya idea, but most of the time no. Remember a healthcare professional for sample. Now they are packaging nicely, no their brain, test.
Okay. Now say me test no more. Now me the fruit clean Kokodru Kotoka. Hono sa test no more or any more the difference woman.
Yendy a PCR test. And the PCR test no gold standard. And then the test it's me picking virus straight out. I mean, percentage wise, so which marker said 99.999%. It's a very, very accurate one. But not necessarily sometimes to know. RNA, PCR now. DNA, RNA be on it's me fancy. If you want be dead virus or system one, you cannot be able to distinguish a dead virus and a live virus. But I know you're academic anyway, but a very, very accurate test, PCR.
Finally, Mami, Mrs. More Yabeda Humo, which are quite anything, say, me bookie, say a DNA. I think at another time, no, you better when I watch a DNA and so a fine fossil a year, teacher, FIA, immigration status near here. But say, me bookie test with you, Mayday.
Okay, so we so book tester. Remember our number way 01603 989 110. Some number way and a call your dedicated COVID testing booking line. In for 15 may dedicate your for COVID testing booking. Your friend number where I become one. Yeah, we have a few other numbers, but we know best number to use become COVID testing team one. Become one or maybe so time when I would to one. And then based on that, on advise you time on my first sample, so become almost sent an about become one. Now, your first sample, they about lab, they be processing. Now, so Uber lab, this why if it's your book appointment, or lab, or yet you sample, you sample, now you processing test about. But if you say, we're friend first, now we're friend, some number way. Now you book your appointment. Now, walk out, center on man, I say you push that bro, any form of a way up a sonia, kids now, a bayama on your sample, you sample.
Okay. And me one number no confirm mommy say no 01603 989 110. But no.
And no. And so you start here so near what numbers be of flies so they still work. They're still okay. Yeah. But we need the very recent dedicated COVID booking number. And see, I know for 415 which they'll always deal with it.
Okay. And you for me sign in see Dr. Thomas Hazel number also 01603 989 110. Doctor, with RCP, again, say about your program. So, send a kind, prepare me a sign up another opportunity. Now, in waiting, come on, FR and DNA and Casamo. I can't DNA. I'm saying, I'm offering money and so, you can say, me and I said, the belly and Muslim. But I'm saying, there are other areas where DNA can come handy. Into whatever, your RCP and also the opportunity.
That's the prayer. Say, one time, my program so to talk about DNA testing. And Uncle Ben, congratulations again. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Thomas. Okay.
Bye.
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 Dr. Thomas Hazel and Mote said, you know, train common. Mr. Mo far and chain crimes and not sound no. There were a few challenges with it, but as it is, Uncle Ben, a year will be excellence and will improve. Dr. Thomas Hazel as say on also a day nedie ababe boa yen. You call the next bit, which is Yankoma and Nankasa Mede Brewo na eno na me bisa se me ba e wo UK ha na me wo wiase ba bi atitu Ghana metimi ay application abeka me ba no ho question obviously is symmetry mo and say na me ba no e den wo ba ya media maka Ghana again possible
kwekwe possible na the entire ya desa topic ya bay aya dodo na obehun se awofo no ebi abaako pede wa ha na wa ba ba ya busua foforo enso mo oba na ebi a akola no nko a ene ne maame na wa ha ne papa na ne maame e wo Ghana ana maame na be ware foforo wakofa ne ba na ba ana se wa wo ne ba no wa ha ana one be ma na separate ebi a be ma no wo Ghana ana wo krofoforo so na eno na ye pese ye ma achiefo ene Ghana fo hu se wo ye eja na wo ba wo kromo ha na eba no maame no woni ni ho biom e wo se woni no enni ho biom obetimi afa akola no so aba betena ha.
Okay.
First of all no emra no hihye no ene se e wo se wo no wo outside UK. 2 e wo se wo papa no we over 18 ana maame no you over 18.
Okay.
I was say what you say akola no either say oye British and I say or indefinite stay requirements no baako or either so you're British and also were indefinite akwala no time a wo ye application no e wo sa akwala no at UK
Okay.
ebiom e wo sa wo kire se akwala no wo na brabom ebiom e wo sa wo kire se wo ba wo sika bi a wo bedi ana adwuma bi aben ama wo ana wo betimi ahwe wo na wo akwala na brabom no ene no obi bisa se wo na brabom sei akwala no te ha wo so wo te Ghana first no na yekase nema mienu ida say wo sole responsibility obi a wote Ghana no obetimi anya sole responsibility aye possible konkola ne bi wo ho a awofo no ebi atu ni nyina wo Ghana na ba ku obi ho fa say 14 15 16 years enti obi na ehwe na ma to what delegate wo responsibility but so responsibility no very difficult to achieve enti I was say direct access. Direct access no any email and our telephone calls. Send a home office for a year law no first and na access. Case of JA a buyer no almost explaining say access no includes say phone calls a access. And almost sound law no more a direct access. I mean sure say eventually one day was almost because akola no na wo Ghana. We don't kasa wo phone so din komo. But we need direct access. And ubedenya direct access, which means either say a woman will be besra no ha, and now call and besra or Ghana. And send away your application.
And when I see a challenge here,
yeah.
What can I say? I was say only so bano any beman in ho, and a beman in oban in ho. In our community, sa situation is here. Access to Nkwalani dream may be difficult. Nti e ba na saa na saa qualification say also wo access to akwala no na wo ye alusi
I no correct unfortunately no family life of a parent so what can family life of a parent na she say akwala wom awofo no either send ma ne papa and even a stepfather and a stepmother because here paragraph 6 definition of parent na akwala ne ma me ewu and ne papa ewu no say ne maame na otiase na ne papa otiase so aware foforo akola no stepfather no parent no oka a difficult situation but anya impossible because I hear a few among crofo ade a eboa ma betimi ama wa betina but say na de bia me ka kira awofo no say akola free obi moba ono no natural connection.
Okay.
Short of say throughout a colonial life on play part no. So emotional attachment and I will see a promoter. Enti so I worry for kra na wone ukun dada na wo yere dada no wo ba na akola no wona tia. I will say akola no nya natural contact with the biological parent no. Enti men ka say oba akola no papa no me ma no ho kwan a obetimi abetina enti me ma akola no nkosra no and I'm a mono besra colano. The other bit no the other part no say a colano or under 18. Na wono a woba no because I will bet na ha permanently no. I was so stressed will be to me a show. I heard no idea either say ubi our foul a juma. And I say sika udi. And I say in that regard, no, ubi waha or sio, crachia or bear na buy you or bar. Me manu baby atma. Me heno, me ye juma, misika minya any, and I may savings ni. To buy me share no copem time, obenya juma. So winya enubi dia, and you know bit me ayaba. A application be a Ghana phone time yet. For the past, problems, no? Yeah, for the past 2 months, no. You perceive a child there Ghana phone time yet. Near be quano nan quiet and our real now our arena EU, our arena British, our arena. You perceive as a student, as nurses, as workers, skilled workers. You perceive as entrepreneurs. You perceive as parents, or bawaha, one in the mammy and any penny ho. But only a colano life. Because I'm phone you are. Your Maquia no sending a colana command papa and animal no Ghana. ebie school ano aba saa nkrofo no nyina wotumi betena sa opera a lead to settlement
maame no ana the other partner na mo separate no obetimi etiam your application no
se process no a your friend eligibility requirement nti EECPT 2.2 to 2.4 anema sa eligibility requirement no ebie ni ma fa maame no ho woni akola no wo direct access normally pictures your phone calls na nema akola na bagana ti you use Ghana for now woni na pie watch pictures the passport I was stamp wom so wa bagana so you British on besim or you Ghana ni or sign a chi aba on besim ne itinerary ewo ho the boarding pass ewo ho sometimes cry ne baggage tag no cry it be use so ana say ade bi na editary passport no echi no
mo sticker kit we
sometimes date was so I don't suit me use so sa ade ne nyina kire say akola na free ha ba bia wo wo de no enya we sometimes no obi wo ho a na opese kokro bi so a Ghana fo ehia visa na akola na be hia no wo ho as a holiday na omotwitwa ho picture na omode aye a bit more expensive but because of the requirement for direct access no I will say woni akola no muhia so even in a typical year kra muhia once every year muhia once fine and I say bi kra na akola no Ghana not ana ne maame apply for indefinite leave amano ode woni hobium ana akola na ba UK obaya because no na ti ansa na oba no wo betimi apply now so abeka akola no ho wa bra won use maame no ana papa no I have more leverage and I think say going into the end of the year next year no you person Ghana for use the length and breadth of immigration rules no. Now you're not so restricted because EU are then you're two a muto from December you muato enti ye bie ye pese ye bie kwan na ada akaba ade a okay me tikra minim se wo ha na wo ba na wutimi use no wo ha na wo ba owo indefinite and now you're British and now what 7 years wo Ghana 7 years na 7 nim I will be a British and now indefinite what ha one day cry no you're British obetimi aba what ha one day no indefinite obetimi aba in case 7 years asem but challenge no sa direct access and a direct access no nyɛ phone call and video and indirect access intina yɛdan o say ida sa kola no eba ana wo ba on a visit obi hu no 1 or 2 now call back na afi wa file wa application
direct access no would one be enough
of course sir menya direct access and there akola to UK oba holiday for 1 month long vac and 2 months na wasamba back of course I've got direct access direct access no yet defined over a long period of time
okay
once even when you have one contact with a child and yet say it was so show say oh akola na brabo mu nko yes wo na brabo because oba won na kasa o bibia moye video calls na sa na ma no yeah the school reports bro to what build it up but we yes na ma nyina no wan hu nanim a physically
there's a winya direct access
it becomes a challenge yeah
say we yes application yeah if you do what say near the ma we hu yes 2.5 years yes if I route to if you do what say near
luckily no omo indefinite quicker saying omo ye wa ha because ono no Ghana nti oba ye ma no 2.5 obedu a owie no a yes ama no 2.5 5 years no nya indefinite omo nko 10-year route no the parents dodo na wa ha no ko odo so mutimi switch enti omo route no ye fairly straightforward ana omo route no so en sheda nya difficult to say okofa wo yere ana ukun aba sabio se wo yere na ekun kra na aware no konkon ho na ye we a otimi fa ne ba no so de ba obi nso o se Uncle Ben me ba no papa no kam pese me fa no ba me nya adwuma nya 186 twe ho mompe time 1 2 akola no nko Ghana nko hu ni papa 1 2 omra papa no mfa ntum no omra but part of the requirements enisa mo relationship woni ekun no enti so ye wukun dada fine or your plan wajaya fine but wontimi nka say me ye application say me come ba ho ba ne ma me ye me yere ana me ye application say me come ba no ba ne papa eye me kun whatever it is no e was some jai munya ya e was some kase mo explaining say still no mo worry there but munya sorry munte jai ebia Ghana wa gushire enti why customary marriage divorce no ultimately the process natural but the bottom line is say where akola no what two parents are omote ase no I would expect say two parents no kra be dinko because some you kwabena oko school or ya de ebia kwabena kwaye nsemo kakra ya frɛ mami ana ya frɛ daddy wako teacher a report no na kwabena say ni omudi agro no kwa fa bo na dwane say ni ana say kwabena oba school ya man of work onye ni nyina no ne papa no be discuss sa niema mo ye nyina either by WhatsApp video calls record it
okay
because we have application na eboa ama wutimi ye ama we use na wabeka wo ba no ho wa sa nso na obi wo ho a ebia ne bano papa aka baabi ana ne maame aka baabi na wa worry obi for a long time na nipa no ntimi mba nti ono te ha na nipa ne te Ghana sa mo betimi approve se mo ntama tete a monye couple sa akola no so ne sa papa na wa ware no fofo na maame na wa ware one no relationship nko ade a ono nso betimi abeka mo ono ntimi ne wo mbetena ba obetimi abaha sa ne oba na actually modo no san so bi ma ne sa ne a bonus but the bottom line is obetimi use akola no pe ana ode aba
se opese wo prove se bia me ne asomasi ne hobio le mo me ye ba ewo ne nchen ewo UK no nti me pese me ba how do you prove it divorce certificate anase partner no improve se bia oni obi foforo wo ho nti and I say how do you go about it?
I mean normally and I think normally you can't prove a negative, you only prove what is in existence. And sometimes in every BB single certificate and as a spinster certificate and a bachelor certificate. Wait me I no be. But the first when any panel ni one and chance we will be for and that may not work. But I think more or less no the mobile cano and any other year juma. And to sub you our will be now we marriage certificate and into so obi enim so worry no. You know I say this because meaning relationships need be brave or because of distance and they break it down. To say break it down I'm bar. Of course, obet me use akola another tina. Instance say oh use will not the aba. Until there is no 18,600. Or was all your English at level A1. Or so chess or no or above 18. Or so chess and a banner under 18. Or so chess and a banner British and now or indefinite. Or so chess or bar obenya baby atana obenya duania D. And I say obi alfa na juma. And I say obi alfa sa oba mehwe. So was sad them kwa na we prove so then or one banner life ma. One life nim no aye everything else also including say akola mbeba Ghana and I obeba besra akola no because of the direct contact requirement to here say obi nyasa.
And purely no I was said the other partner no I was outside of the UK.
The oil application abano and also
outside of the UK.
Yeah.
Okay. Now nipa na be I'm looking at this scenario. Me buy 2.5 years me no menya me indefinite. Me ni nipa na me ba no anase me ba maame anase me ba papa no me ni ho. But na me ni obi nso wo Ghana. Se me nya wuramu a nipa no metimi de na ba as me ho kani because me ba de mawuram me yere anase me partner no nso so metimi nja no ho.
Okay, so what the partner bar. I was a partner no war settlement. The only time I'll be to me the partner a back room outside EU law no. When I was a war settlement. So I just said we're a temporary visa holder, student, work permit holder, migrant. But so we are Obia World War 2.5 years. I wouldn't be for partner number because the rules no send on my culture no. Either under appendix FM partner no. I was a war settlement. So now wait to me the panaba.
Obi bisa question and very interesting. I say bia me wa ha me ko Ghana ba ta ko Ghana ba. We could do one of the situations no mono ma fire funu ma ba be wo e wo UK. Sa kwala na ye wo no to ho a ne papa na me ne no any relationship mo bia one of binti akofa nyinsan aba no. Otimi use akwala na ye wo no one day no e qualify the application ba.
Absolutely. So on no when no any direct contact da obetimi agina no so biaba. That is why I be so. And you know, sometimes you know, your community no, yeah, be restrictive. Bibia one way, and I worry yeah, student side. So see a student say from January and a summer, quite biama. Yeah, family life of a parent will be your set question. I will be a brilliant question. What holiday? What could you any? I could fa one yam. Wabewo wawo ebi a wasan de akola na akɔkyerɛ baako mienu papa no
Oh, direct access.
Straight away ana wo ye bema wakɔ Ghana wakɔfa obi ba na wo akola na ye British enti opese wo ye a wama na nyin kakra because but ye wo mema mo hwɛ babies once akola no wa ha first day na the application etum akola betimi atena Ghana baby no betimi ne maami atena Ghana no mo decide say next week we application no offer baby na ba we ni bedu ha pe otimi the application etum once or wa no omutimi ye and that is why ye pese ye bie I mean sometimes you know niema ni bi wo ho a aya ye pese be ka no TV so sometimes you know ko hwa no bi akọ abuse no enti ye very careful but where are there was so be enti once aye ne ba no nko ade otimi ebeka no
se wo pese wo ye bibi na onhia lawyer ma onim strategy na fe ode enema etutu year na eye BWF solicitors and how they ho to on so BWF solicitors before and I eno edin komo what they the community and the law at the brain and then or say se wo ba e wo UK ha na woni na enya direct contact even once ubetimi ya application at the back room ha because oba e wo ha e wo se utimi be kan ho e wo UK ha in here se one ne maame e wo ho in here se one ne papa wo ho e wo se mo jai mpo ananso se ukotwa wo hu bi e na e de e baaba ento ba na ntwene because obema wanya ba bi agina ene ne nya direct access na betimi agina so e de application abeka oba no ho e wo UK the question na me bi say ana me de me ba na e de na mba na me fa no so e ba no e kwan e wo ho BWF solicitors e yempanimfo ebie na ne so e de akyere abusia sabre mu obetimi and the question or concerns and the issues no aba sefa topic here I discussing sefa say nana oboa on my the first obebona baso Dr. Bernard Owusu obebona baso announce say or any other issue opese upejaba 0208 123 1016 0208 123 1016 and I say over send the text on a WhatsApp at the AFA 07950 422 780 07950 422 780 I'm going to make comments ni kakra ewa ha Oyukoba Kofi upon Ejare and Anajimai Kenneth Evans Dorcas and MEB munyina mo line no so o se krom empanimfo ne madofo a mo twa chia TV ho damase ye wo ebusua bi e wo Hamburg ngoben o maso YouTube no TV so kakaka. And I'm just screenshot of TV no and they have just give me the evidence. I applied for my visa extension in September. I've done a facial biometric and uploaded my documents onto their newly developed app subsequently. However, my passport is still with me. Does information regarding the submission of my passport... Okay, the information concerning the submission of the passport has been communicated to him. What should he do?
Well, the new process, COVID going forward, BBI digitization. Almost Ghana.
Ghana, every baby, I'm saying, was me chawano. You're chinging see ho. Near listing your achievements, because what's your COVID handling? You difference the whole world. But you can't. And when I don't know, but what was it?
I'm more digitize the application process. So we application app be wo as our app no ultimi e de upload wo documents no omo fra no IDV to hear app na any na omo take home office some biometric no omo ana ebie sa app enti wo scan wo documents na we use sa app nyina wo de aye ti o login na bisa wo email ne wo bibia o login na ma o chance ama o scan w'anim ama o scan wo documents ne wo bibia na chese wanko omo ho no ankoye wo biometric no aye good but sometimes they play up enti gunsa Ghana phone so de bibia no ye penga fili ga do chi enti o person who say fili ti I don't know the call say na email my na yenye say oh email you say ni nyina aye good but bear in mind say even beyond this no we your application ni we are with me use omo online booking system no all those biometric booking no e wa chire and omo nso a omo nya de we anim no which is a couple of weeks away no omo jiska ade we say you free because your application na you fan say FLRFP no feeling kaya 130,033 but we are no online na omo 1,052 which means we to biometric fee no but we san register akobon sa because COVID no buy akọ piaso no omo san jiska bi okro omo 199 pounds ebi omo 99 bi 110 my home be cry 299 and I think sir it's so unfair but so bet me use so process idea e allow ma we use so omo no was some allow ma we use omo catch us say use so no say omo allow there then you have to go through the traditional one our bookings online no.
Okay, well, so are a single mother of 3 or just started college currently on Yejuma and oni obi e obeboa no ama wahwe ne ma no betime the any member of the family at the free Ghana ba abeboa no
aye possible na bibia o ye free Ghana bia no sane ye hihye no no e wo se wo kire se nipa no ba obekọ e ba obekọ no aye ade a ye nsori preko ne aye e wo se wo plan wo hihye to ho utimi anya evidence kire se nipa ya obey sebe owoni BBD ana wo BBD oba obetimi ahwe no oba obebite ade a oba bayini utimi kase ma wo no mpese obehweme ba obetimi akase bia ma wo mbetu din ana se nipa you know pepese me ma no treatment wa ye bibia ma me timpese oba ebehwe ha na ana se ye bronya pese oba COVID yi mu de aya ema niema ni bi eyewe but the bottom line is obi opese obi ba ha bia no once wo ha lawfully no untimi ema nipa no
0208 123 1016 text and WhatsApp no 07950 422 780 Angome mpache yenkwa homa no so na yenhwe yenua yensa aka no ho. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Yeah, I say
Bacho Boko.
Good. Bacho Nana Tio.
Bacho Uncle Bay. Virtual congratulations. Sorry, I cannot.
But I say,
Uncle Bay, Yamisha on the ground for Kubebre, yet that was it, that was it. Now, me pacho, me yami will see a friendly diamond. Think for the questions, Mammy, me touch a soap. Now, me pacho, over the soap, this say. Oh, no, I need to call you name.
Now, see what question is you.
Oh, me, Madame Tobacco, I need to call you Europe, you. Now, a person go with us say, oh, no, you man, you could bet my my friend says soulmate. I'm thanking Rebecca, this is soulmate. Now, I could find me or no, or banning me a barber.
Yo, sir, Obi, you need Busiani, person kofa, omo, a Busiani by a crown. And to say, you need a year, Juma, okay. But I was so much or more chair, say, you need no, as a family, no money. I buy one Ghana, Ashano. Now, will prove say or you're dependent. Because what the extended family bar, I was so chess, what share Nipana or Kofana. When to be interested, I would be fan.
Patrol, you patron age, you need the family cry.
Age, you are dear, the AGBN, and it's not too many yellow.
Patrol, you perform first question, no? I think Nina baby, on the money in Yana man, they had no, I plan was 16 years. Now, Quebec, none which adoption, baby, most which mupa, Dano, or no catch them, Missy. Nothing in Patrol, me must say. I plan was 16 years, or better than what you make of Fanaba, but they be all money in Yana man, they had.
I want to difficult, because a woman would be our penny. Now, person will find a papa. Then a chess cow would call all the shark. The only thing I'll bet me will be 15 years, so then on the side. ABR, Utian school fees, Utian hospital bills. Ghana, maybe a diamond to crown, Utia, and Teodos and my mentor, and also Tihobi. And Tisana, I am possible. So bet me I chess with this cafa, Nema, so the I am possible, bet me I. But I was evidence, no, a wall. We was clear to say Kofi TV. And the evidence of the corner, I was so young trail. T. Bibia or the code, they only 100 a call. Kofi, I could tell the school fees 100. What the 200 a call? Kofi, I could tell the hospital bill 200. What the 50 a call? Kofi, I told you a man of 50. Also, when you say evidence, and now connecting. This idea, say, you're doing a quan did it, and you say, oh, young function. That's the only problem. And this normally, so what's an scanner? Ubetimia, send purpose no. At the airport, this guy, I was over the shop and also why?
In fact, on adoption, which me the number,
adoption process, no, I'm not saying possible. But me adoption, very expensive because some of your assessment, I don't require between 6,000 and 9,000. That's the only problem. I work sadly so.
That's why you are correct. That's the
Yes,
okay.
That's it.
Yeah, that's the 020812310160 020812310116. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, boss. I'm aware.
Yaminadum, but you bands in Middlesbrough. Yaminadum.
Good.
Well, then the question I come follow up when they get to Baku actually. Me a student now, me a visa extension. Tina make up about no. Upload me BBR, but your passport no that show me. I mean, you say Omuna bema me date ya na bema me any information. Say me submit me passport for a decision. But almost about 2 months now. I don't know what to do. No. And secondly, so me were under 8 children were fee. Me sister na show mo. Me nim say me sister a bit many visa. Edu ma brem wa ha be possible sir uncle.
Big fan, what's the underage? Now, I'm age in your sense.
Yeah, that's right.
How many saying?
6 years. Yeah, so sister no apply a bit many visa for mama.
Mami Kwanka Bell.
And I just am in the
Mami Kwanka Bell no yano.
I send my under age and I saw them. Yeah, I'll bet me at your maba. It has sent a sister the ban on the work of former bar. Now I saw bet you at no maba. Bet me arrangements for with the airline or maba.
And that's how the number say airline didn't know still.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah, that's CP 0208-123-1016. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening,
But what's the idea?
about application and name, problem because spelling mistakes though, question and a number of who's sending usually Ajamai, one factory and count. Now, instead of being appointment for facial recognition or efficacy for no. One of these Jayamana Abasalas, maybe say, only for now because I a 3-year-old boy application. Now, somebody that's one year and I say, Mesaka card in India now or you obey or no, I am and
on my issue application based on passport information and yet they will watch you. And it is some more on the Bisano.
Because the number for facial recognition was also wrong.
Okay, and one said I was said a mom say Medina or Modiabano are wrong. And the other say obey me a email or we email or more and respond.
Okay, all right then. Now, lastly, so I'm in common. This is a member of this now. I said, I just now, because I won't come to me. Now, course, and to corner, and I get also to be answered with me.
I was affected. Among allowed busybodies. You were groups be allowed. Ghana, among friend, amicus friend. I had also Obia, a fan of home, maybe to say Amnesty International, maybe to say ELPA, but normally, no, I was say we are guinea pig, I wouldn't call now, we didn't china, oh yeah. Tiwano, unye, idea affect her, untimenya. Why?
Oh, sir, okay. And I said, you might be intimate to quite intimate as well. No, Madam,
I don't know, we need to talk about why.
Yeah, I can get us also with your friend 021231016 and also our text the WhatsApp and over 07950 422-780. I'm going to question bias or Mofra Ghana no or say a mother of 3 no ukuta EEA passport and I say in Qatar
yeah, obey me. Yeah, still, yeah.
Okay. Young lines in the studio. Hello.
I'm sorry, with the Evans now afraid you made
yes, Evans, no problem.
But I want to say, maybe a biometric no or more app on DAE, almost 2 months in a passport room, no, or more man communication be as to say, may submitted for education to be taken. Which means student might a junior must start uni for about 2 months now. So is it any cause for alarm and answer Tibisa?
There be cause for alarm be anyhow. Once I was submitted or Nemano, that a process. Why? Because on my mouth, why there was a way. To once I you know, the next way no so mu here bibi obeba waswate
Wacho yo ti passport no enwo no wa
so omum bisaya was so wo
Wacho yo
okay
and that's
yeah
that's okay right
okay yes that's CP Evans nyame ensure agno bi we see me say then now pay for your award
oh sabi I mean award the MNC trophy this year mpaibo you know meaning say crofo be brave bomb pie my nyina ade ayi here mpaibo kese pa that's all
okay it's a good Samaritan no wa the bompire ma Uncle Ben na you know enko animu pa Bridget I say congratulations to Uncle Ben and all the BWF solicitors team no yankola in so na you have a text and wo messages no we abisa say okay 18.6 and affected the
parents no
is the person coming from Ghana have to have enough money in his or her account?
Okay. Nipa no fi Ghana ba na was so chrese ne hat na no oye okay owusika obedi ana owa adwuma obeye ana obi wo ha o kase asimesi e ba betena me nchen me na fe no e bia meje 50,000 ska mi di kra nyewe me wodan wa ha obeba beda one room mu say they say kopem time obenya adwuma ana so obi a ofa na adwuma it can be anything, it can be Ghana shop but I was say legitimate work. You got Ghana shop now finish ka unyenya 12,000 or better for offer na djuma bibia ya possible bia I know what the savings are quite nim kakra of course obetimi I bear in mind say so offer accommodation maintenance and nema for one person e UK potentially you're looking about be 8 to 900 pounds a month and so what they share for 1 year that's about 10,000 plus. The only thing is so obi wa how be offer employment and how be offer help and how now what the savings are obi
say how can a person apply for settlement or pre-settled for a child under 2? She has a pre-settlement already. She can scan her face.
Okay, until scanning of face no I for momukuta EU passport and also kuta biometric card. Na meaning the into a she can scan her face. I call her the two, obet me scan her. So all the net to her, obet me. But me who baby I hear that normally a young call be 6, 7, 8. But that it shouldn't be a problem. And just there, or use online application, not the app. Or you see online application, or my man post the passport. But I'm person who are calling on the country. Yeah.
Okay. You will be online also. You can call 0208-123-1016. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Good evening.
Good evening. Uncle Ben, congratulations. Michelle, so my palm, so
that's it.
Really a quick question from Mr. So, you saw a first student application being on. So, we in Ghana, let's be a Mbanze or be a low 100 that. And you know, this will be a find out in your application and also waiting your application at that moment.
You need Ghana because you need Americano. So, we call university waha. And I would me post study work, and I say graduate employment. But so I'll be all Ghana there, some qualifier.
Call you know Ghana.
They be unqualified. Why? So when you invest in a now, when you're Juma Wahano person there, that's totally different.
Okay, but so you know Ghana, they are into me, a master's student.
That what to me,
What do you mean your application as a student?
I don't know to me. I bet me I student application. Person be see idea wahana.
Okay. Number you come and then
so be as a student.
Yes.
So what as a student? First of all, so we need sponsorship letter. Until so we need university our file. Second, I was also meeting maintenance requirement for 9 months. So our London, it's about 1,052, I think, times 9 months, plus with school fees.
Okay.
Now, what file no about? The university, no, amount letter now maintenance, no, other account anymore. Now, what they are called, no, our application. It's a point system because here, student requirement, no, master sign, a visitors requirement, and so master sign. It's here an appendix CS, a child student, appendix S, Nagasa, a general student, no. Sorry, GS, a general student. Omina, no master sign process, no. I'm a new law number, but still, no, I was so in your school, about file, admission, now my letter, now maintenance requirement, no, or the account.
Okay, well, that's good.
That's 020812311016. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Hello. What do you say?
Yes, Uncle Ben live.
Uncle Ben is live.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Go. System down one.
Yeah. Yes. And I'm touching my question. It's me, a single mother of 3. They have already read my single mother of 3. Currently, I'm on universal credit. But I am starting college with very soon. I need somebody to help me because at the moment my little one hasn't turned 2 years he cannot go to nursery or any other care, which obviously will involve a lot of money for me to take them to like babysitter and all that. So is it possible for me to bring a member of my family to come and help me with the children?
Okay. Even though they will add no abandon and someone and only now can say or the question about the supplementary one is also.
Well, I mean, first of all, which me for being Maha say Omramba Boame and say reason Orban to say Obama. You need to be asked. Oh, yes, I'm the refuse application because Obama. However, but we bet me I'm a Nipanana. So I saw there, I will go school with your mama and the problem. But you should be because Obi Baba Boame because Meko University. So one more now complications. Maybe I will see session and as postnatal, BSc. I'm a parent need the offer. So emotional support now. I know you're okay. So what kind domestic work and so on? And you'll be a wire mama for at least 12 months. Now obviously you mama wa uti aneka. And I won't buy what they know about. And now my member or the domestic worker account about. It didn't will be sana and so but say some co-university to be pursued better than I have a man. You need provision be answer. Why?
Okay.
So Theo already.
And so Theo already. So no, it's like I don't and some Hanajo. I can imagine. Yeah. Yeah. What for also? Young quite no quickly. Now me were other questions be and also ABP Hana. Me refer to Omode text near there no abano 020812311016. Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
Patrol, your friend is Francis. With your program, Patrol, no longer have me you now. Maybe I know Ghana.
Okay.
And my first born was 7 years. Second war, 5 years now. One war 3, almost 3 years. My application, one of this my wife for me first born. Up to now, second born, Edward and my store. And the last one also the other way, we see the best set I maintain. All my the best set by one of the soon and Friday, a year, dear, no one send the dear in the account. Up to now, we only the master, but first born, only this animal 3rd January, and the wife this animal should be February.
Well, I mean, tonight I may advise say, oh yeah, EU application, or file back. Either under British law, EU law, and any application I walk forward back, and I would near your DNA. A creative problems, unfortunately, your birth certificate and shit crime. The only thing I'll bet me on is either say I'll be friend and I'll be email. I'm more line be a premium line. I think is about £1 BB. What flow on all the details no more. Bet me I'm update. And this I'll bet me email. Short of say I'll bet you more lawyers are threatening or and in who they will bet me I am potting. But I advise also be on your application. I'm on a bar bia ni bia for DNA support. Na anko base omo be refuse no asan ye biom na ko delay ne sa ne why what you akosa omo no mu bisa na we a fresh application
fresh application na ke to na me
so afia na odi DNA no ko ntinya abotre one apply and one fa DNA na nka ho I abotre but in America no omo number be a premium number so o power bit me fresh number no and this a bit me email omo and also on be respond why
but can make me have for we no be why we make me have who be
yes so bit me abehu ye na ya twere omo ama why
but the
office number no I 0 egu Facebook or no I 0208
0208 493 73 80 40 okay 7340 you swear no 7340 okay Anwa friend book appointment why Mr. Meda CP Agaben questions be for ato ade amane
okay
na me page abako emra e wakaka nso meboso I say my friend's child was born outside the UK. But since their parents were married and the father had a British nationality, the child acquired a British passport. The mother has a spouse visa and traveled to the UK with the child. The mother now has indefinite leave to remain, which she had about 2 years ago. But it has come to a stage where the child was not for this British national due to a DNA test after a marriage breakdown. Now, the child's passport has to be renewed. Will this result affect the child's nationality as he has already acquired British nationality through his father already? Or will the child be denied a renewal if the DNA test results is added to the application or if the father's name is changed on the renewal? We have more strategy, we have more skills. We are complex.
You be so much as obi ko ware obi wo Ghana or a British and on your band boy and akola nya British passport nti ye wo akola no na akola no ne papa ene maame ne kun na echire bibia ba ama DNA abem am say bi akotwe mpram obi akasa akola ne nya nti me beje ma de na DNA abem nti nipa no so geneba nti akola no passport usually more 5 years nti ewu nkoko renew normally no uko renew anka wo hia DNA but some partner threatens or report to say any body are. Then it's possible to say the birth certificate no message and details. But any fatal because British nationality law section 50A no Emma ho kwan say wo wa warrior na ukunu eye British wo oba na British on case or no wo so wo ana se akola no ne papa ene de ne maame aware no enti ye won krofo bebre wa ha omo aware Africana omo abedu omo atwempana akola abem akola no papa wa no eye British enti nka akola no once ne papa ye British no ka no so ye British but because my mini figure na ba no aware ya otano or magazine or ton nema magazine or nyano no by the same token section 50A no akola no eye Ghana ni ne papa ene de ma me na ware no and in this case no although say birth certificate no betimi asesa no akola no da so ye British under the operation of section 50A ayade isi na first of all, when him say ufigana abaha na wabeshi obi a one na onyema you very careful say wa ware dansa na wuhia nipa na one na nyem no ubegu aware na ansa na wa wo ba no however so when you obi aware wa ha na you British now application ni bibia anko yi ba ma ware e bia mako interview na fail ya crash wa ware no kra marriage of convenience our rent is valid, but process a money our rent on tina. One one year setna. Thank you for no so smart. And you don't say a cultural so marriage, you know, your marriage of convenience. Why EU our rare a marriage of convenience. And I say what interview what fairly. But one dissolve our rare no. When you be for a war. Mesra kona kwaje British passport ma oba na odo so almost our warren here marriage of convenience no the validity of the marriage is not questioned.
Okay,
for them to say a marriage of convenience not just so much to say a marriage but just marriage in qualify and it is a marriage of convenience and I say this because of this question because it brings a lot of solutions to my mind. Enti more year application am call interview am failing nyina no se nipa na British and now or indefinite se here now only obi for war so when nipa na nya ya still oba na British citizen. That is what it is for me. I knife a trap both sides say akwala no oni obi ko na mo se de wo Ghana na ye ne ba oni obi nso ko no ni ku no mo se ye marriage oni nso akwala no you use our process and the applications and microphone brain
0208 123 1016 and our text 07950 422 780 Dr. Time Naso inti mefa call baako mako question baako so inti ma menko ahoma so quickly na menhwe de wo so hello yes sir.
Good evening, Uncle Ben. Good evening, Uncle.
Yes.
My patron, question. The question is, my patron, they said they be free Ghana, Nepal, and I'm basically asylum. Now, my patron, basically asylum, yes, no. Moment the money, my asylum, I go through. Now, my name is possibly Ghana. Na midofi milena kitu komo online na mpesa mko wale no kana ikona minti pe koso na possible say make me akoware ni pano kana bana ndamase antibe mpesa mu
ya sala ba ya de amao we ya sala ma ufri Ghana ana ya mao asala mankasa
tawa yes
tabana ya asala no mao
Monsan ko yi na ya dia salam na mame.
Waso we ya da.
Say ya pemi ko. Monsan ko yi ntina amugan ke me ya fe me ya pemi ko me okana.
Ana o ta.
The patron, and I know Mukai and Manya Salam for 4 years.
Okay, yes, sir.
My dog will be Ghana, my person come call a possible summit Mako than uncle.
A friend be a friend of refoulement. Okay? Refoulement says a wo say pay. Ufi krobi so a ye bo ho ban because ufi sa krono so. Enti ya mao asetena. Na mmom museum paw sa wo sa de wo ho sa akokire sa krona na wa no voluntarily no wo pese o ka kire nse ade na wo su usuro no wo nsuro biom. Just bear that in mind. Say we call Ghana. Say we could do asylum pan ya diamawa. Diama refugee status 4 years refugee status. I was so sure say wintimi enko Ghana. Why? And yes, refoulement in a becho. Okay.
So the wintimi wara doesn't know.
I can't be wara no. I saw betimi akọ Togo ma wako wara ni Togo. Obetimi akọ Benin. Dubai kra obetimi akohia no. South Africa, utimiko. Babia utimiko. Just say, Corona, what Gina so the Ama Wasala, what person catch from say Chrono and Mao protection. To be a Mao, a certain say Chrono and Mao protection. Now, what was I do one comma Chrono? Not just a voluntarily, no, what relinquish or asylum status, no, and answer refoulement natural, 80. I was so homogeneous, my dear. Tell me about what I'm meeting in Ghana, and
Uncle Ben, in my head, you may say, no man is young, baby. Mamma,
or do you dinner?
I know.
The bottom
The other thing, no, sir, where a Ghana, or ban one of that.
The bottom many not in command, the video cost the year and not to be a
anti Uncle Xiao Togo. And I say Ivory Coast. No hunanim because one of the requirements, you know, I say we share nipano. Once I was share no.
I don't need direct access. No?
There. Once I was share. Now 4 years, so we could take indefinite leave. 4 years now.
I look at 4 years. I have to make a in the streets.
Oh, I said 4 years. They won't me for Biamba. Nipa obeti me dinaba. I will be an your wife that a friend of family reunion. In asylum 4 years and I went to me from Phobiamba. Why?
Oh, me to me will be asylum. Sudan for you.
I'm a family member that and don't know a family reunion. Under refugee status, no, Obia or your family that no, Oba Utimiko Fano Eba.
Oh, right.
Until so indefinitely.
No, I can remember Nana Kofi Antubom.
Wadani one yes, I know.
Nana, one in Paris, Metasi, Baba.
Oh, Granny and Nika.
Question is, I mean, fuck it was, I mean, fuck it, you.
And you might think,
I think about who I can get one by you so. Okay, I mean, Kofa Tintin Bako, Emrana, a Penifum. We're a British citizen. So are our 2 children. My husband is a non-EU member. And we came here 4 years ago via Suringa Singh route. Your wife for 12 years. You're self-employed, you pay your taxes. We are now applying for pre-settled and later on next year we will apply for the settled status. We would like him to apply for British citizenship. However, I now realize that the fact that he never had a CSIC might delay the process. Am I correct? Is there anything we could do?
Okay. And I think about 3 weeks ago, path to nationality, EU4, or indefinite leave on EUSS, you know, so nationality no be facing problems because permanent residence, you know, under EUSS, you know, the requirement for leave to remain and indefinite leave, you know, a presence and exercise of treaty rights either under 5, 6, or 4. CSI no a comprehensive medical insurance.
Okay.
And as medical insurance and our health insurance. Se obi a self-sufficient person na oyusu sa insurance no. So because of your surrender sing na or a British citizen or cotton Europe to omo bano omo use surrender sing omo use British law because he has over 18.6 no when you're 5 years and when you're indefinite a cheaper unto a fee no 18.6 no English nothing. It's a good process. However, sa CSI no or gain nationality application by direction. And it's true. Because the latest guidance notes are about nationality about 16th of October no. Our sense is supi. So we EU ni now why EUSS no. Now we have application. Now we are self-sufficient person and a student. Yabeka Charles say requirement for 5 years lawful residence in winning. Ain't it take 10 years. And in America say, and yatro say we a student we say we use CSI. Yatro old rule nim, which is the 2006, 2016 or the 2004 IFN Citizens Directive. But under Appendix EU, no, it has absolutely nothing to do with all the references. All my references are man. And it is a say obi antna legally. The only reason I bet my case obi antna legally, no, and it's a reference to either 71 Act or FM route or immigration rules. Immigration rule is said. So we application for EUSSR. Yankasi ye juma. Yase wo kromo ha. Enti the lawfulness of wadina wire. No mo di amao. Enti me no mo nyadwen. And I think that we will have a court of a high court case eventually. And yan start is see. Omo ko EUSS no. Se sisi an omo kwa. Most of them now omo 5 years residence card dada. Enti no ma hwe. Eno no. Just so many permanent residents. A good question, but EU funds will fin to a mohofo. Advice and a demo on says, I won't pen to qua. Munina starting keep proof of treaty rights and to pay slips, bank statements, P60s, P45s. We are self-employed, our self-assessment, SA 301, SA 304, Ningina, monkey pudding, NI contribution. Not that actually be our nationality now, and Kotija.
Sa EU some year you say December be twemo na transitional when no ni ade nyina. Would there be any other means as a rule say bia odo yire anasa okunu ebeba? Minim say question me be say be resonate with so many people because I say we don't see beyond December it bit me say. Well, so be our bushing as see after December no that's our bushing bit me the number. Okay. Ghana for your advantage kesiye. And one say men fan to ja because him say on the back of Malata for the Ivory Coast. Not me fan to ja. Your big advantage and for us that is the joy of our customary marriage system is so. 2 cases back about Wales advice about Ghanaian law and about Obano ware Ghana ni na home office for Angina ware nantum almost ware no enye valid because na inkibi and ama no nso no and the Ghana law no was synchro too na was some Ghana. Of course that's wrong. Ti ma no use no aka say okay me ware or they call ware or Republic of Ireland. But the law has a 100% me advice you about the mamene catch up say home office and Tuma, not just a man worry. And I make catch up say no. Home office is wrong. Until so we divorce. To do the divorce and so here proof a chess and worry and you're valid. And for us as Ghanaians and your advantage. So we EU ni now or bar Obama a busiani. Oh after December still timid no bar.
wunia eye wunia ansa na December eba so wo ha nko ade a obi ene nyina ye wabusuani no wo be koso etime de o ma ba I was say we apply for USS Nantem because by June next year no we apply you be deeper me pese mete e wo Ghana radio so say na me EU ni ma betena na me wo blue card ana se si o mo say me nko Ghana o ka na hwehwe ba bi a wo na me ne Patrick because then why you bring in as a winty that is why to every community and kwaku December ba December mo ya ware no so ya na December winti me fa no mba na we ya before December there ubetime de na ba ya wa November ya wa December so ya wa 1 up to 31 so we ya no 31st up to 10 p.m. crowd ubetime de na ba we ya after 11 p.m. winti fa no mba enti mo nyina mo ma Ghana marriage certificate no emra na mo fa nyam applications.
Well, this will make you smile. Hey, this man, love this sweet team, Papa. I was here for my Asida Emma Ukiya the kind. Now, I can be a boy room. What are my 2 minutes? But after call we well be for me because I was a doctor call. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah, me kwacho na me pese bi busa PhD ma try
Oh, line no jina ye. What's pese busa den? Hello. Oh. Line nye. With the fache next week. And I say your voice note na Fabra. Your voice note na Fabra. Your WhatsApp line so 07950 422780. Na Fabra next week. I promise you say the bank one there mebo the amount. Yeah. And me pejami mu na fe me de aseda ama otwedi ampondi di kan na masan de aseda so ama won organize sa year awards program with Professional Services Leader of the Year, the Black British Business Award. And no, the winner is Dr. Bernard Owusu Nana Obuamai the first. And Ben, once again, congratulations.
Yeah,
Michelle P. Na Koswa community no. Me sign and so aka obi say open lawyer ni anase lawyer dwumaku a ombetimi aboa. Me kanfo BWF solicitors at the amount. BWF solicitors seba immigration, seba Ghana mra, seba UK mra. Ememu bibia Momodi answer one and now they will ever to one so. Omo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so I North London. Offer Victoria Line. Na usi was 7 sisters. I use exit number 2. Adobabe P Anna House. Omo 4th floor. Monday to Friday. A free and upon 9:30. Eko see and 6 o'clock. Omo a yejma. And fa home kon number baby for be an kofa problem ma ho. Bra. Where the community prefers. Ebio, may sign a Kai was said, Kai said COVID-19 has come to stay with us. So protect yourself. Boah, na yem breaking the cycle a day virus and if you one person to the other. Brunya ba yinya yanke nyina bedi bronya. Ishia from family home my home 2 near there. So see one here na yesa crab lucky and down. Wash your hands under running water with soap for a minimum of 20 seconds. Use your hand sanitizer. Kama pa. Yem practices social distancing 2 meters apart. Oko public space se wafro bus, shop, and baby nipa dodo hono. Cover your face. Well, you face mask. Na ninyi na echi no so, Mr. Let us protect ourselves and our loved ones. Ebio, my emphasis that man can ben say and also about beboa yen ebe cheche niemu. Same time next week you will another edition. Lawyer Patrick, lawyer Richard, lawyer Eunice, and our BWF solicitors abusuani nyina edamwase. I'm going to single out one person to say thank you to. You say, behind every successful man, there's an able woman. Mrs. Nanosu. Angie, congratulations. You know, smile no, you're so broad from left to right. Yamin Kaun was away several years. And then, see a bona baswa. Now also, you deserve to be honored. Congratulations. Abusia, if you move suffering pon, you wanted to say.
BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.